Yeah, we have this electric bicycle which built by King Cycles. You can always visit kingcycles.com for more information. Now, the bicycle consists of the normal features of a bicycle. In addition to that, we have things like the power pack, which you can see, the controller below it, and then the motor that was used in building this electric bicycle. Uh, the bicycle also consists of normal bicycle shifters, 21 speed shifters. Uh, in addition to being able to throttle it, you can pedal it normally. And you also have the throttle with the display on it. And the way it works is that you switch it on and then you throttle it. It's as easy as that. So by throttling it, the wheel at the back spins and you can get up to 40 kilometers per hour. So it's quite fast for an electric bicycle, which is okay. Yeah.